Hello and welcome back to my another quick unboxing and review video. In this video I am going to share with you quick unboxing and review AirPod 4. So let's take a look. This is my AirPod 4 box, exactly how it looks like. Now I am going to unboxing this box and then I am going to share with you how exactly this AirPod 4 looks like. After unboxing this AirPod box, we will get inside this box some quick user guide and some warranty, and then itself our AirPod 4, how this looks like. So now let me jump over this AirPod 4 by side, or how exactly this AirPod port looks like. So this is our AirPod 4 and you can see it's very stylish and very smallest case. And if I go jump over by side, this is the back side view and this is the front side view, and then this is the bottom view where we can charge our AirPod, and this is our AirPod 4. So if I'm going to open this is how exactly the AirPods looks like. So when you open, there is a pair icon, something appearing, and here is our AirPod 4, how it's stylish and very beautiful AirPod 4. So if I try to removing another AirPods, this is how exactly our both AirPods looks like, and this is all about our AirPod 4, which is very stylish and lightweight and beautiful style, and also it has some play pause. So if you're playing pause anything, there is a play pause option on time, and if you're playing any video or any music, you can easily play or pause by pressing over here. Personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking to play sound all around you. Create a three-dimensional listening experience for music, TV show, movies, games, and more. A rearing leap in capabilities, the powerful H2 chip comes to AirPods 4, making audio and call sound better than ever. With a range of intelligent features, AirPods 4 adapt to virtually any listening environment, even when you want complete silence. AirPods 4 provide exceptional fit, all-day comfort, and greater stability with your every move. AirPods 4 and the charging case are rated IP54 dust, sweat, and water resistant, so they will withstand anything from rain to heavy workout. AirPods 4 weight is 32.3 grams. Each earbud's weight is 4.3 grams. If we jump over this AirPods battery, if we up to 5 hours of listening time on a single charge, or up to 4.5 hours of talk time on a single charge. Total up to 30 hours of listening time, up to 20 hours of talk time. Also, if you charge 5 minutes in case, provide around 1 hour of listening time or around 45 minutes of talk time. You can see I had connected my AirPods 4, and its AirPods 4 has a special features. We know previously most AirPods, if you just move your hand or accidentally something, it's actually fell down, but this AirPods 4 has a special feature. So if you're moving or if little bit dancing, it's not fall down, which is very interesting. And I bought this AirPods from Saudi Arabia local market, which was cost me 550 real. If you convert it to dollar, which will cost you around $145. So within $145 you're going to see a AirPods 4 which is very stylish, lightweight, and also it has supported water and dust resistant. So that's for now. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family.